the new Durham Junction. This video today is about the Accurascale Class 55 deltic 55013, the black watch. Now, Accurascale have highlighted the problem with the lights. You saw the recent post about them all. So basically what it is, I've got to fit these two new plates to the logo because of the lighting problems, showing their marker lights as the headlights when it only should have the top two. I'll show you on this body. So these are the marker lights there, and they're shining when you've got the headlights on, so they shouldn't be coming through at all. So putting these new plates on should eradicate the problem, all being well. Accurascale, I've done away with the chains on the bogies, as you can see, which is a lot better for us modelers. So if the body needs to come off, we don't have to take them drastic chains off to get access into the logo. So this is the batch 2. Batch 1 had the chains, batch 2 haven't. Excuse me, I've just had my tea. But all in well, the detail, it's absolutely fab. Obviously, we've got the centre section there. That just took that off to get the body off. Oh, and Craig drops it and breaks it. Yeah. That goes back onto the logo, so and so. I haven't clipped it on, but it gives you the idea. And we're going to go ahead, change these panels over. But while I've got the body off, I've had a little bit of a speaker rattle, so I'm just going to check the speaker rattle on this loco. I'm going to go ahead and start it up and see if that's still there. No, it isn't, because you know why? I had to tighten screws down on the plate hook over the top to keep the speaker in. I'll tell you what else I can do for you while we're on here. I can go ahead and show you the instrumental dashboard all lit up. If you give us 2 seconds. So there you can go. You can see the dashboard all lit up there. Absolutely fabulous when that's in night mode. Well, as you can see, the inside of the Accurascale deltic. So we'll just push this forward. So as you can see, these are the panels which I'm on about, which I've got to change over. I think they just pop off and replace them with the other ones, which will hide the marker lights there. So all being well. Right, I'm back. So I'll turn this loco off. Take the panels out of this bag and we'll have a look at these panels, and then we'll go ahead, fit them back to the loco, put the body on and see if that eradicates the problem. So as you can see here, we've got one panel. Sorry about the camera. And we're going to take one panel off the loco to see what the difference is between the two panels. So these are the new ones. We'll put them there to one side. And let's see if we can take these panels off. I think while I've got this off as well, I am going to go ahead and put the cables on this loco. I hate doing cables, but I think they look canny. So as you can have a good look at the side detail, what you see through the glass. which that is saying 37 something RPM. And that says something for Napier. Obviously it's a Napier powered twin engine. There's some weight in these. Absolutely some weight. So fingers crossed we can get this panel off and I don't break it. Right, okay, so that goes like that. Two seconds, I'm gonna have a look at these ones. I think that just clips in. Right. Yes, so they just slide up and that's it. Jobs are good and they just slide up to pop off. Actually, it lifts the motherboard up. I'll be back. Right, I'm back. So we're getting one panel off. That is the panel what's just come off the loco. And that is the new panel to go on the loco. So let's go ahead, fit this new panel. And then we'll put it back on the track and we'll give it a look. I'll be back. Right, hiya. Back again. So I've gone ahead and we fitted the panels to the deltic. So I'm going to put it back on the track and then we're going to see what they look like. So basically that's the old, there they go. That's the old panels gone. Right, so I've got that on. Right, what a difference. So really, let's go back to this because I need this. Yard works, no, that's a whip back. Right, directional. Red marker lights, F11, F12, shift 0, that's 12. Okay. Oops. So I'm quite happy with that. We'll go back to show you on the loco now. 2 seconds there. Right, so there's the lighting boards done. So that's that sorted. And the other side's exactly the same. I want to change direction. And that's going to do away with them markers. Right. That was just a quick, this is just a quick video. Obviously, that's what you do with them. If you've got batch 2 and you've got the lighting problem with them, get in touch with the Cura Scale. They'll send you out replacement panels. These ones are the old ones. So these can go in the box of the deltic, in case anybody else wants them. We're going to go ahead and put the body back on it. And then we'll have a look with the body on, see what these lights look like. 2 seconds. Oh. we go. Should be pretty straightforward, just to put this on without swearing. And that's how you swear, because guess what? The doors come off on the inside of there. So we have to attach the door back in with a little bit of, I'll tell you what I'll use so it doesn't fall out again. Oops, not the camera sideways, sorry there, I've got on charge. I'm gonna just get a smidgen of black tack. And just put that on the inside of the tabs. And there's one little there. I know I could have used a bit of glue, but black tack's just as good as anything, I think. Just takes a little bit. We'll go ahead and get this door put back in here. And it's just as easy as that. It's the door back in. A little bit of black tack. Job's a good one. We've got to get his body back on here. And there we go. There's nothing that I hate putting bodies back on the logos. So there we go, we've got the body back on. Put the panel back on the top. Just like that. And we're going to get back on the track and we'll have a look at the lighting and see how it looks like now. I'm all fingers and thumbs. It's better than being thumbs and fingers. Right, spin the camera around and we'll have a look at this. Right, so now as you can see, the side marker lights has been eradicated because they're not lit up now. We've got the headlights working. all in all, I think it is one fabulous looking loco. 2 seconds there. But this gimbal is rubbish. No, it's not gonna. Come on, hold on there. I've got you seasick, haven't I? Tell you what, take the phone off charge, Craig. There you go. So as you can see, we have got the deltic all body back on and all lit up right. Right, sorry about this video. It seems to be a bit of a pain. I hate doing pre-recorded videos. I'd rather do live and then there's no mucking around. I'm not going to bother going and edit it. So you're going to have to excuse me. I think I've done a top job. Lighting function done. And should we give you a running shot? Yeah, we can do. We can give it a run. 2 seconds there. So as you can see there now, guys, looks 100% better. The side marker lights have been taken off. Right panels installed. So I'm well happy with that. Thank you very much, Scale, for sending out the right parts. And let me get this loco sorted out. So take care all, be safe, and happy modelling. Please like, sub, and comment if you wish. And see you next time. Take care. It's alright. Put your bag down from that. Down to you.